Alright friends, we have another conditional rendering exercise. We need to add conditions to our JSX. Notice that if we hit the run button, we see an alert that says green color is not possible in the list of colors. Plus, we have this red alert and a yellow alert, but this needs to be green. We have to add the option for it to be green. So, I'm going back to the previous exercise because I had a link to the Bootstrap documentation about alert colors. Take note that the third color from here is green, referred to as success. Therefore, we have to add this class to our object. See, to make it green here, I would have to add the alert success class. Now that we've added the alert success class for the green color, it should work. Let's give it a run and see what happens. Well, it doesn't work. Let's figure out why. Oh, it doesn't work because I'm at the wrong file. Notice that I don't have the correct file open. Let's go to the next exercise. Now we'll hit the run button again. I added it in the wrong place. I'll copy it here, come back over here, ready, and hit the run button. Now, as you can see, what previously was supposed to be green is now correctly green because we added the property green to our object and assigned the corresponding string alert success to it. We added that as a class to our alert, and now it works. Let's hit the run test button to see if it passes or not. And in this case, it passed successfully. So, we'll move on to the next exercise.